Alright, here we go again. There we go. Hello everyone, and today we're gonna play Cookie Crush. We have the good potatoes and the bad cat. Here it goes.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Nice.
This restaurant got 5-star, I'm gonna try it! These fries are crispy, keep it up! I love this Coke. Give me Coke, I'm Pratt! Could I get a burger? I'm starving! This restaurant got 5-star, I'm gonna try it! Triple drumsticks, hurry up, I'm starving! This is the best burger I ever had!
My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and tasty.
A really cozy place! Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
What is this? The taste is awful.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
This is the best burger I ever had.
I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
A really cozy place.
A really cozy place!
This steak fixed my day. Thank you. My friend told me it's a hidden gem.
I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
My stomach is a roast.
Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
Ordering his burger.
What is this? The taste is awful.
Triple drumsticks. Hurry up. I'm starving.
Good. Here is your extra tip.
French fries, please. Sauce on side.
Here we go.
I don't like.
I thought the Jeep... Who is this lunatic? Could I get a burger?
Sorry.
A really cozy place! French fries, please. Sauce on side.
This flavor food. Here comes.
These fries are crispy. Keep it up!
Awesome.